Okay, mathematicians, we're going to check the exercises from lesson 17 and also the problem set. So for exercises on Thursday, May 27th, you have to explain what the net would create and the expression, and then use the expression to find the total surface area. So the net on this one is a square pyramid. The expression would be 4 by 4 plus, we're going to find the area of a triangle that has a base of 4 and a height of 3. So, and there are 4 of those. So 4 by 4 is 16 centimeters squared. We're going to take 4 times 3, which is 12 centimeters squared. Half of that is 6. There are 4 of those. That's 24. I'm going to take those two together and I get 40 centimeters squared. I was off a little bit because my print was a little fuzzy. So the next one, this is a square prism. We're going to have 2 of the squares, which is a 5 by 5, and we have 4 of these pieces, which is a 2 by 5. And so 5 by 5 is 25 centimeters squared. Times that by 2, we get 50. 2 centimeters by 5 centimeters and 10 centimeters squared. Times that by 4 because there are 4 of them. I get 40. I add that all up together and it's 90 centimeters squared. Number 3, this is a rectangular pyramid. So we're going to find a base, which is a 3 by 4, which is 12 centimeters squared. We are going to find the surface area of the side pyramids, which would be half times 3 times 4, and then we take 2 of those, so 3 times 4 is 12, half of that is 6. I'm going to times that by 2 because there are 2 of them. I go back to 12 centimeters squared, and then the last thing we're going to do is the 4 by 4 sides, which are the top and the bottom here. 4 by 4 is 8. I have to take half of that. 16, half of that is 8. I've got 2 of those, it's 16. Add that up for 40 centimeters squared. Number 4, this is a rectangular prism. So I'm going to actually have 3 different sides that are having a parallel version. The main base is a 6 by 5. I have 6 by 5. I have 2 of those, so that gives me 60. The tall little skinny sides is a 1 by 5. I got 2 of those, so that's 10 centimeters squared. And then a 1 by 6, which is times 2, which is 12. I add those all up, I get 82 centimeters squared. Then on the problem set, you were only supposed to do 3 and 4, and you had to explain what was wrong in this problem. And so this one is not a rectangular prism, it's actually a square pyramid. And they also forgot for the triangle parts of the net to take half of that. So it's not actually 12 meters squared. We take half of it, it would be 6. And so if I went and adjusted all of those, it should be 33 meters squared. And then on number 4, it's similar to that answer, but this is not a rectangular prism. These are all the same, so it's a cube. And so down here they had that correct, but they actually forgot a face. We should have 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, add another 9, 6. And so it would be 54 meters squared.